Welcome back to Computer Hackers. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting, high-demand, and misunderstood careers in cybersecurity: penetration testing, also known as pen testing. If you've ever dreamed of hacking systems legally, finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys do, and getting paid for it, then you're in the right place. What pen testing actually means. At its core, pen testing is about simulating real-world cyber attacks to identify weaknesses before malicious hackers exploit them. Think of it like a fire drill for your security systems. A pen tester acts like an attacker, probing systems, networks, and applications to expose flaws that could lead to breaches. Unlike cybercriminals, pen testers operate under permission and legal agreements. Their mission isn't to steal data, but to report vulnerabilities, provide solutions, and strengthen defenses. It's a controlled attack, with the goal of preventing real ones. The pen testing process. Pen testing isn't just about running hacking tools and hoping something breaks. It follows a structured, methodical process. Most pen testers use frameworks like the PTES, the Penetration Testing Execution Standard, which guides every stage from preparation to reporting. The first step is reconnaissance, also known as information gathering. Here, pen testers collect as much data as possible about the target. They map out domains, find open ports, detect technologies used, and even dig through public information or leaked credentials. This stage is all about understanding the target before touching it. Next comes scanning and enumeration. Pen testers use tools to identify active systems, services, and vulnerabilities. They scan for open ports, outdated software, weak passwords, and misconfigurations. This is where tools like Nmap or Nessus come into play, revealing the doors that attackers could walk through. Once the weak points are identified, we move to exploitation, the heart of the pen test. This is where pen testers attempt to break in. It could be exploiting a web application flaw, gaining shell access, escalating privileges, or pivoting deeper into the network. This phase separates ethical hackers from script kiddies, because it requires skill, precision, and deep understanding of systems. After exploitation, the next phase is post-exploitation. This step simulates what a real hacker might do after gaining access. Pen testers assess the impact of the breach. Can they extract sensitive data, move laterally, or maintain persistence? The goal is to demonstrate the potential damage if the flaw were exploited. Finally, we have reporting, the most important yet underrated part of pen testing. The findings, evidence, and recommendations are compiled into a detailed report for the organization. A good pen tester not only finds vulnerabilities, but also explains them clearly and suggests practical fixes. Types of pen testing. Pen testing isn't one size fits all. Depending on the scope, there are several types of tests, each focusing on different parts of an organization's environment. Network pen testing targets the infrastructure: routers, firewalls, servers, and internal networks. The goal is to find weaknesses in configurations or outdated systems that could allow unauthorized access. Web application pen testing focuses on websites, portals, and online services. It tests for issues like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and authentication bypasses. Since most organizations rely heavily on web apps, this type of testing is in constant demand. Wireless pen testing looks at Wi-Fi networks and connected devices. It checks for weak encryption, rogue access points, and misconfigured wireless controllers. Social engineering pen testing is all about human manipulation. Pen testers test employee awareness by sending phishing emails or attempting to gain access through deception. Because even the best firewall can't stop a gullible employee. Then there's physical pen testing, where testers attempt to infiltrate buildings, bypass locks, or access restricted areas. It's a real-world mission, part spy, part hacker. Tools of the trade pen testers rely on a powerful toolkit. Each tool serves a purpose, from reconnaissance to exploitation. Nmap is the go-to for scanning networks and discovering hosts and open ports. It's like shining a flashlight into the target environment. Burp Suite is a favorite for web application testing, allowing testers to intercept and manipulate requests, discover vulnerabilities, and even automate attacks. Metasploit is the ultimate exploitation framework. It helps pen testers test vulnerabilities using pre-built modules for thousands of exploits. Wireshark captures and analyzes network traffic, revealing sensitive data that might be traveling unencrypted. John the Ripper and Hashcat are used for password cracking, testing the strength of stored credentials. And for stealthier engagements, tools like Cobalt Strike, Empire, and Bloodhound simulate advanced attacks, helping testers replicate real-world adversary behavior. A professional pen tester doesn't rely on one tool. They build custom scripts, adapt to the environment, and think creatively. The mindset is more important than the toolkit. Skills you need to become a pen tester. Pen testing isn't about memorizing commands, it's about understanding how systems work and how they break. A strong foundation in networking is essential. You need to understand TCP/IP, ports, protocols, and firewalls. Without it, you're hacking blind. You also need operating system knowledge, especially Linux. Most pen testing tools run on Linux, and understanding file systems, permissions, and processes is key to moving undetected. Then comes scripting and programming. Languages like Python, Bash, and PowerShell are crucial for automation, custom exploits, and reconnaissance. Knowing how code works helps you understand how to manipulate it. Web technologies are equally important. You should understand how servers, APIs, and web applications function to exploit them effectively. Finally, report writing and communication matter. The best pen testers are storytellers. They translate technical findings into business language that decision-makers can act on. Certifications that matter. Certifications help validate your skills and make you stand out in the job market. The most recognized one is the OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. It's hands-on, practical, and respected across the industry. Other valuable certs include CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, which provides a strong foundation, CompTIA Pentest Plus, which covers intermediate skills, and GPEN, GIAC Penetration Tester, which focuses on advanced methodologies. If you want to go deeper, there are specialized certifications like OSWE for web apps and OSEP for advanced exploitation. But remember, certifications open doors. Your real growth comes from continuous learning and practice. Build your own lab. Test on legal platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, or VulnHub. Hands-on experience is the real game changer. Salary and career growth pen testing is one of the highest-paying and fastest-growing roles in cybersecurity. Entry-level pen testers often start around $70,000 to $90,000 per year, depending on region and company. With experience, mid-level professionals earn between $100,000 and $130,000, while senior pen testers and red team operators can make upwards of $150,000 or more. Freelancers and consultants can earn even higher rates, especially if they specialize in high-risk industries like finance or defense. Some experienced professionals charge thousands of dollars per engagement, depending on scope and complexity. Pen testing also opens doors to other roles, from red teaming and exploit development to security architecture or even management positions like Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. The reality behind the glamour movies and TV shows often romanticize hacking. A lone genius typing furiously while green code scrolls across the screen. Real pen testing is much more than that. It involves long hours, documentation, and constant learning. You'll spend a lot of time testing, failing, analyzing, and retrying. The process requires patience, curiosity, and creativity. The excitement comes from solving puzzles and understanding systems deeply, not from instant results. It's also a field of responsibility. As a pen tester, you have access to sensitive data and critical systems. Integrity and ethics are as important as technical skill. You're trusted to expose vulnerabilities, not exploit them for personal gain. The future of pen testing. The landscape is evolving rapidly. With the rise of AI, automation, and cloud computing, pen testing is becoming more sophisticated and specialized. AI-driven pen testing tools can now simulate attacks automatically, finding common vulnerabilities faster than humans. But human pen testers remain essential for creative problem-solving, adapting to unique environments, and understanding the psychology behind attacks. Cloud pen testing is another emerging area. As companies move to AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, new challenges arise. From misconfigured storage buckets to insecure APIs, pen testers who master cloud security are already in high demand. In addition, as organizations embrace DevSecOps, pen testing is shifting left, integrating earlier in the development cycle. Instead of testing once a year, continuous pen testing ensures ongoing security as systems evolve. How to get started today. If you're inspired to become a pen tester, start small but stay consistent. Begin by learning the basics of networking and operating systems. Build your own virtual lab using tools like VirtualBox or VMware, and practice in controlled environments. Use free platforms like TryHackMe and HackTheBox to learn hands-on. Watch tutorials, join cybersecurity communities, and participate in Capture the Flag competitions. Every small challenge teaches you something new. Document everything you learn. Blogs, GitHub projects, or even YouTube videos. Employers love seeing initiative and real-world effort. Combine that with certifications and you'll stand out fast. Pen testing is not just a job, it's a mindset. It's about thinking like an attacker, but acting like a defender. It combines curiosity, technical mastery, and ethics into one of the most rewarding careers in cybersecurity. You're not just finding flaws, you're protecting people, systems, and businesses from real threats. The work you do can prevent massive breaches, save millions of dollars, and even protect national infrastructure. If you're fascinated by how things work, and even more curious about how they break, then pen testing might just be your perfect path. The tools are there, the opportunities are huge, and the need for skilled ethical hackers has never been greater. Thanks for watching Computer Hackers. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into cybersecurity careers, hacking techniques, and future tech, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Because in this world, knowledge truly is your best defense.